Working with multiple sets of budgets, plans, and forecasts in your planning processes? Version management can help you keep your versions manageable. In this example, the planning table includes actual and budget versions, both of which are public, which means that their values are visible to all users. Values that can be edited are displayed in black for users with version management permissions for the underlying model. You can choose to make changes directly in a public version or work with a private version if you prefer. When you make changes in a public version, your changes are cached so that they don't immediately affect the values other users see, and the version management options in the toolbar are activated. Here in the Version Management panel, you can get an overview of all versions available for the model. Once you've finished making edits, you can publish your changes, either from the toolbar or from the Version Management panel. If you don't want to preserve the changes, you can revert them instead. Keep in mind that when you leave a story, you need to either save or revert the data for any public versions in which edits have been made. If you don't intend to publish your changes right away, it's better to work in a private version. You can create private versions by copying an existing public version as a starting point. There are two options. You can drag and drop to create an exact duplicate. You can also make a copy to take advantage of more granular control. From here, you can specify a version name, pick the category for the new version, and choose how much of the data you want to copy. The private version now displays in the table, and all its values are currently identical to those from the public version. After you make changes in a private version, you can share it with other planning users while keeping it private, undo your last change, and see a log of the changes so you can revert to a specific point. When you're ready to make the changes public, you can publish it, replacing the values in an existing public version, or create a new public version in either the same data category or a new one. The values from the private version have overwritten the values in the public version, and the private version has been deleted. For more information about how to work with versions for your planning data, check out the links in the description and try it for yourself today.